Hello guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make this super cool Pong game in Scratch. Now this is very easy, so it's not going to require a lot of code. So first, when you spawn in, you're going to start off with a scratch cat. Then after you're going to want to press the delete, you're going to want to delete it. You're going to want to go into choose a sprite. You're going to want to type in ball. Then after that, you're going to want to click the ball. You can change the color if you want. I'm going to change the color to blue. You're going to want to do when green flag clicked forever. No, when green flag clicked, point in direction 45, which is here. Forever move 15 steps. If on edge, bounce. You're going to want to get that in the motion blocks. Then you're going to want to then after you're going to want to press the green flag, and then after that it will start to bounce around, and that if it's on the edge of the screen, then it will bounce. You're going to want to click on the sprite, go on to the paddle sprite. To do that, you're going to want to search up paddle. You're going to want to get it, and then after that you'll spawn in a paddle sprite. Put in an appropriate position at the bottom. For example, x minus 171, y minus 126. When green flag clicked, forever set x to mouse x. Now you'll see that the paddle starts to move around. However, if you see this, the ball goes straight through the paddle. So because of this, we're going to have to go into the ball sprite. Forever, if touching paddle, turn 180 degrees to make it turn to give it a realistic effect. 180 degrees, move 15 steps. If on edge, bounce. So now you should see that now when you press the green flag, when it hits the paddle, and then after that it will bounce. But now this is pretty boring, so now let's add a score function. Go on to the variable, create a variable called score, and keep it for all sprites. You're going to want to set score to 0 at the top of the code. You're going to want to do if on the if touching paddle. You're going to want to take that out, do change score by 1. Then add it back in. You're going to want to make the score variable visible. You're going to want to press the green flag, then when you hit the paddle, then after that the score will go up 1. Now this is a pretty cool game, but the score variable looks a bit off, so now you're going to want to put the score variable in large readout. You're going to want to put it more to the left. You're going to want to choose a sprite, paint the sprite. You're going to want to make the sprite black, maybe add a handwriting effect. Then you're going to want to do score. You're going to want to type out score. You're going to want to put it like in the middle here at center. Then you're going to want to drag it into the middle, into the top corner. And then after that you're going to want to do a basic code. When green flag clicked forever, go to X, whatever your X and Y position is. Now as you see here, we have a full ping pong game. Now this is really cool, but we're going to be upgrading this in part 2 of our ping pong game. I really hope you liked the episode. If you did, make sure to watch our part 2. Thank you.